Healthcare Week segment on The Exchange is sponsored by ReSOLVE Grand Haven Physical Therapy. Now, you might think of physical therapy as being for someone with a sports injury or a hip or a knee replacement, but in reality, physical therapy can really help with a wide range of situations. Here to tell us more is Dr. Tom Trumbull IV from ReSOLVE Grand Haven Physical Therapy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so first talking a little bit about what is the physical therapy? I think a lot of us in our minds, we think, oh, my child sprained their leg or something in a sporting event, and so they have to go to physical therapy. But I mean, it really does so much more than maybe what we think of.
It does. Physical therapy can address all kinds of issues. If you have a pain from various reasons, a lot of times there's not even an injury that occurs.
Oh, okay.
You just start to have some pain, and it may seem like it comes out of nowhere. And even that is something that physical therapy can address.
Well, and I think a big, we were talking earlier and just talking about, some of these, aches and pains that we get because we are getting older.
Right.
Really is stuff that you could fix. I mean, it's not something you have to live with.
Right. And it's something that you can learn how to fix. And that's really what ReSOLVE is looking to do, is to teach individuals and empower them to know what to do about the different conditions that they have.
Yeah, and I think, talking about, people that have pain, oftentimes in the past it was, okay, first I have to go see my doctor, then I have to do this, and then I have to do this. And really, a lot has changed since then.
Yes, it was quite a process before, and now in Michigan we have what's called direct access.
Okay.
Meaning that someone who has an ache or a pain or a need for physical therapy can come directly to physical therapy.
That's huge.
Right.
I don't have to spend 3 weeks getting referrals.
You don't have to have all the wait time. A lot of times physical therapy clinics can get you in within the week.
Wow, okay.
So you're decreasing some of that waiting time.
Yeah.
Actually, a lot of studies have shown that you have better outcomes, less cost, better outcomes. Who doesn't want that? Yeah,
seriously. And one of the things that you really try and focus on is just kind of fixing or changing the mechanics that you might have that you have wrong mechanics, and that is what's giving you pain.
Right. A lot of us do things every day that are repetitive in nature.
Like sitting in your desk chair?
Even sitting. Right. Most of us do that at least a little bit in our day. So if we're doing things that are repetitive in nature, it can be contributing to a pain or a symptom that we have, even if that pain or symptom is intermittent.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be something that you feel all the time.
And that's really one of the approaches that you take at ReSOLVE.
Right.
And you were telling me a little bit about kind of the specific method that you guys use there.
Sure. Yeah. So the McKenzie method is something that we use, and what it does is it looks at the source by looking at cause and effect. As the person is there and they might say that they have their pain only under certain conditions, we're looking to reproduce that right then. And then even within the session, we're looking to see something that makes that pain lighter, less, or go away. So as we learn that, we teach them how to do that day to day, throughout their day.
Yeah.
And that's something that then they can employ as a strategy to treat and prevent future pain as well.
Not just masking the problem,
just
finding
masking
it and fixing it. That's huge.
Right.
To learn more about ReSOLVE Grand Haven Physical Therapy, you can find all the info you need on the link we put on our website. Just go to WZZM13.com under The Exchange.